Hi, my name is Elizabeth Brown and I'm a product manager at Tekmar Control Systems. In November 2016, we introduced a series of products targeting the residential hydronic market. We introduced zone valve controls and switching relays with room response, Wi-Fi thermostats, and the Tekmar Connect mobile application. This point-of-purchase display unit was developed to support the sale of those new products. Each display panel has working product. We have the Zone Valve Control 304V, Wi-Fi Thermostat 562, and we have a smartphone in order to display the Tekmar Connect mobile application. The intent of the display panel was to increase awareness and comfort levels with our new products. It was also to introduce and illustrate room response in action. We also wanted to convey the value proposition behind room response. For homeowners, it is increased comfort and efficiency. For installers, it's a DOE compliant solution that avoids ongoing service calls to adjust the reset curve. We also wanted to convey the simplicity in our new products. We made a concerted effort to design with simplicity in mind. We want our customers to interact with the mobile application and with the Wi-Fi thermostat to see the simplicity behind these products. We also want customers to open the zone valve control to appreciate the design that went into this new product. We are confident that the point-of-purchase display panels will have their intended effect of increasing sales, increasing comfort and awareness with the new products, and introducing the unique value of room response.
When you first plug in the unit, you'll see the LEDs ramp up and down and hear the clicking thermostat relays. This is perfectly normal. It's the relays in the thermostat responding to power up. Since we needed to illustrate room response in under a minute in order to capture a customer's attention at the wholesale counter, we're showing a simulated version of room response. We like to call it the Hollywood version of room response. For the panel, the visual illustration is tied to the thermostat relays. Of course, ordinarily it is not. It is driven by the zone control in response to how long a thermostat calls for heat. The screen on the phone will initially look like this. Scroll up to get to the home screen. The first thing you'll have to do is configure the Wi-Fi. We've included a link for directions on the back of the unit, but I'll go through them with you now. In the right upper hand corner, select the Settings menu. Enter the password 8356. Select Access System Settings, and then select the Wi-Fi menu. Choose the Wi-Fi network at your location and enter the password. Go back to the home screen and open Wake Lock to make sure it's in full Wake Lock mode, which is indicated by 7 bars. This is an app that allows the phone to always stay active and never go into sleep mode. We also have another app installed called MobiLock. This is to ensure the security of the display by locking it to the Tekmar Connect app. So there are no concerns about people browsing the internet and displaying non-related content that may be contrary to our brand. Once Wi-Fi is connected, you can launch the Tekmar Connect app. Next, we'll set up the Wi-Fi on the thermostat. Select the gear icon and then enter the Wi-Fi menu. Turn Wi-Fi on and then select the network and enter the password. On the main menu, check to see that the Wi-Fi signal strength is acceptable or good. If it says fair, you may want to consider using another network or moving the display. Once both are connected to Wi-Fi, you can start using the app. Change the set points by dragging the circle on the horseshoe. For this simulated version of room response, moving the set point down will decrease the room response signal. Fewer LEDs will be on, indicating a lower boiler target temperature. Moving the set point up will increase the room response signal, and more LEDs will be illuminated to indicate a higher boiler target temperature. You can see this illustration of room response by changing the set point on the app or on the thermostat itself. Whenever we are below the maximum signal, the room response light on the zone control will be on. Small changes in the set point will show a gradual room response signal change. Large sweeping changes will not be as effective for the display because room response will just move between full strength and off. If a customer opens the zone valve control, they can experience the hinged cover, they can see the metal base as well as the rear and top and bottom knockouts, they can see the replaceable transformer and the replaceable fuses. There's also a warning label here to notify our customers that this is a modified product. For safety reasons, we decided to modify the zone valve control to remove any of the danger associated with line voltage. We want to make it clear that you cannot replace this zone valve control with another model off the shelf. You can see the ModMax percentile. This is really the room response signal dial. Now for this display unit, it's irrelevant, because remember, we needed to have an immediate representation of room response based on changes to the thermostat set point. And to do that, we're actually driving those LEDs from the thermostat relays themselves. A customer can also change the dip switches, which will affect which LEDs on the zone controller are on. Initially, I have lights on for the system pump and the valve call, but if I change the zone valve and dip switch to on, the light will go out. Likewise, if I change the system pump during priority to off, that LED will also turn off. For the display, it is better to have those lights on. The thermostat also has the same warning label notifying customers that it is a modified product that cannot be exchanged with a regular model. Remember, we changed the relay behavior, so you cannot replace it with a model off the shelf, and you surely don't want to take this unit off and put it into your home. We made 2 trifold brochures specifically for this display. Get Connected with Wi-Fi Thermostats is P10059 on the literature order form, and Zoning with Room Response is P10060. We ship these panels with 50 copies of each, and it's up to the rep to order more as necessary from the literature order form, so that wholesalers don't run out of literature. On the back of the unit there are 2 stickers. One has a QR code for the Wi-Fi setup instructions. You can scan it with the QR code reader on your smartphone, and you'll be directed to a link that has step-by-step instructions for the Wi-Fi connection. The other sticker has the username and password for the tekmar Connect app. We hope that all of our customers see the value in these display panels. We are confident that the panel effectively illustrates that the new tekmar Wi-Fi zoning system with room response offers the better control with the better design for the better system.